What if I told you that some of the most important jobs of the next decade don't even exist yet? Imagine trying to explain to your grandparents in the 1960s that one day people would get paid to design mobile apps or manage social media pages. They'd laugh it off as science fiction, and yet today, those are billion-dollar industries. The same thing is happening right now with artificial intelligence. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's also creating brand new ones. Strange, exciting, and sometimes controversial roles that will define the future of work with AI. Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world faster than even the Industrial Revolution. When steam engines arrived, they replaced muscle power. When computers came, they replaced repetitive paperwork. But today, AI is starting to enhance and sometimes replace the human mind itself. And here's the surprising part. While some jobs will disappear, experts agree that even more will be born. As Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella put it, every job will be transformed by AI. Frontline workers, knowledge workers, everyone will see their tasks reshaped. So instead of asking, what jobs will AI kill, the better question is, what new AI careers will exist in 2025 and beyond? Over the next few minutes, let's break down the future AI jobs explained in simple terms. Jobs your children, or maybe even you, might one day be doing. AI ethicist. Think of this role like a referee for artificial intelligence. As AI grows more powerful, someone has to make sure it plays fair, ensuring algorithms don't discriminate in hiring, healthcare, or loan approvals. Machines don't have morals. Humans must guide them. Just as medical ethics guide doctors in life and death situations, AI ethicists will protect fairness and human rights in a world increasingly run by algorithms. Andrew Ng, one of the world's leading AI experts, once said, "The biggest ethical challenge AI is facing is jobs. We have to reskill our workforce." That same ethical mindset will apply to AI systems too. Robot psychologist. Picture a future where robots aren't just in factories, but also in schools, hospitals, and homes. Who will ensure humans feel comfortable trusting and working with them? Enter the robot psychologist. These professionals will study how we emotionally interact with machines, teaching robots to respond with empathy and helping people adapt to living alongside intelligent assistants. It's like how animal behaviorists help pets and owners connect, except here the pets are robots that teach your child or care for an elderly patient. AI healthcare specialist. Medicine is changing at lightning speed thanks to artificial intelligence. Already, AI systems can detect cancer in scans with accuracy equal to or better than human doctors. But here's the key. Machines don't replace doctors, they enhance them. AI healthcare specialists will become the translators between AI insights and real treatments patients can understand. Nadella has emphasized that frontline roles, especially in healthcare, will be amplified, not replaced by AI. Imagine a nurse who uses AI to predict complications before they happen. That's the future. Data curator. AI is only as good as the data it learns from. If the data is messy, biased, or incomplete, the results are dangerous. That's why data curators will be crucial. Think of them like the librarians of the digital age, cleaning, labeling, and organizing massive data sets so that AI systems learn the right lessons. Just as a librarian helps readers find the right book, a data curator ensures AI finds the right knowledge. Without them, AI risks becoming biased, unfair, or simply wrong. AI prompt engineer. Ever asked a chatbot a question and gotten nonsense back? That's where prompt engineers come in. They're the wordsmiths of the AI world, crafting instructions so AI produces useful answers. It's a bit like talking to a child. The clearer your instructions, the better the response. This role is already booming today, and in the future, prompt engineers may be as common as web developers. Andrew Ng compared AI to electricity, saying it will transform every industry. Prompt engineers are the electricians wiring that power. Cybersecurity AI Analyst. The same AI that helps us can also be used by hackers. That's why cybersecurity AI analysts will defend digital spaces using artificial intelligence to predict and stop attacks before they happen. Think of them as the digital security guards of the future, standing at the front lines of an invisible battlefield. With financial systems, healthcare records, and even government secrets at stake, their role will be mission critical. AI creative partner. Many people worry AI will kill creativity, but the reality is more interesting. Instead of replacing artists, AI often collaborates with them. Future jobs will include AI creative partners, people who use intelligent tools to brainstorm ideas, design graphics, or even compose music. Picture a filmmaker exploring storylines with an AI co-writer, or a painter experimenting with new colors suggested by a machine.
creativity won't die, it will expand. Now, you might wonder how this affects you if you're not changing careers. The truth is, these jobs will shape all of us. Older adults will see AI specialists guiding their healthcare, and entire societies will benefit from AI ethicists and lawyers quietly protecting their rights. As Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, recently said, routine intellectual work is at risk, but creative and skilled trades will thrive. That means AI isn't just for young techies, it's for everyone. So, the next time you hear someone say AI is stealing jobs, remember this: AI is also creating opportunities we can't even imagine yet. From ethicists and lawyers to teachers and creative partners, the future of AI jobs is already taking shape. The real question is, will we be ready to adapt? If you want to stay curious and keep learning about AI careers 2025 and beyond, subscribe to this channel for more explainers on the future of work with AI.